Okay, so I got the key. Unlocked the the side doors. So at least I can show. Ooh, the water gonna get on my phone. Lord have mercy. Look at that. I had my phone sitting there, almost about to get baptized. I don't want the phone again. Okay, so anyway, I had two behind me. You can see glass sliding doors. This one's closed. I haven't opened it all the way. This is, and I put a screen. I bought the screen separately. Put that in here. Did that. Bought the screen separately. The glass sliding doors. I just can't show inside the dollar. Totally. I gotta get all that stuff out of there before I can dare try to post it for sale, list it for sale, y'all. It's a disaster in their own. Let me see, can I at least step in? Behind me, this is a relatively new, full of stuff, as y'all can see. Retro, vintage style refrigerator freezer. I got a defroster freezer up there. Um, it's it's full of ice right now, so I'm not gonna open it all the way. Gotta defrost it, and of course I got magnets and stuff hanging all over it. But it's like new. I hardly used it because I'm not hardly here. I just been paying lot rent for almost 4 years, $4.50 a month, and not able to really fully live out here. The landlord that owns, I don't know, the 20 acres or so. I'm not sure their total amount, but he's saying a year to 2 years he's selling the 7 acres on which this and his other income property, his houses that he rents. He's got 3 bedroom, 2 bath, full double wide homes. This is our hookup. I can't know if I'm holding this exactly right, but I'm hooked up as if I were a big RV. And he was the only one I could find with RV hookups. Like in Kerrville, I approached them all. They said, no way could I set something like stationary. I did all this skirting myself. I did all this skirting around here. I don't know if it's showing up right. And then through the rocks again, so nothing could go underneath. I took black tarps, cut them, measured them, magnets, tape, glue, and skirted around the entire 40-foot used shipping container. So again, there's the hookup. Hopefully I'm getting all this in the shot real good. Hookup for the toilet, electricity, water. So there is a toilet in there. There is a bathroom, bathtub, and shower. There's a kitchen sink and counter. So at least 32 feet is fully insulated. And the back end back here about 8 feet from the part where the bathroom ends, about in this section, to the end. This part back here, the back door part or whatever, this part back here, not insulated. It's got a hot water heater back there. It's a small one. Was it 40 gallons? I can't remember. And that was going to be the garage storage area. And it is the garage storage area, but so is the entire container now. So got to clean up. I got to get all this stuff that's laying around thrown away. I got to throw it all away. it's not useful. I mean, he said I can have one. He said I can have this one. That's solar and it's motion detect. So anything can pass by here, it kind of can shine, you know, up there. I was going to have cameras on both ends. One on this end. And I might need to use my gorilla ladder a little bit out here. All this is going in garbage. The metal, the wrought iron part will be going. Let's hook that on there for now. So it's not windy. It's nice and calm, so I don't have to worry about this blowing out, hitting the umbrella. The umbrella, right quick. Let me just see if I can get a shot of this. With that, when I remove all the superfluous crap around it, it's pretty at night. The way it lights up. Solar energized. This is a nice metal outdoor table. All this will be going to trash. Extra, whatever those are called, foot holder rest things for the fencing, the big tall fencing. So that's about the best I can do for now, you all. As far as documenting, yeah, I had put this little window on. I hadn't painted it yet because the others on the other side are trimmed in black. This is over the kitchen sink, and it's not a up-down sliding window. It opens out like that and closes like that. It's on a roller track thing. So I had enough. So all this crap going in the garbage. I got 3 weeks to get this part cleaned up, so I'll get it done, especially if we don't continuously have more heavy rainstorms. Thank you all for watching. Thank all my small YouTuber community, subscribers, all of you. Thank you so much. I love all of you. New subscribers, welcome. I love you too. I hope that, especially after this settles down and I'm able to start uploading good videos, you all will find something you identify with, you relate to, you find funny and cheerful or educational and informational, helpful. And I'll go back out there and pick up any trash. I just remembered I meant to do that. Got my one rubber glove. I can't find my other work gloves for now. But I got a work laundromat lady, light duty attendant today. I'm covering for somebody. I'm not turning down extra hours at the laundromat. I only do a few a week. And I just received another offer, actually, to work for my ex, helping him. So the first appointment already will be next week, Tuesday. I take him to his eye doctor to get his eye injections. He still has another lady that helps him with through CareLinks. I think 8 hours a month. So I'll be doing 8 to 10 hours a month. And the neighbor next door to him is super wonderful. Also support to Richard or Dr. Dick. I call him interchangeably, either or. Dick is a popular nickname for Richard. So I thought I had seen some debris out here on the ground. So I'm going to make sure to pick it all up. Again, thank you all. I love you. Stay safe, y'all. And stay blessed. Blessings. Enjoy the weekend. I'll be back. See you at the next video. I'll be back, God willing. So long for now.